Hello, good evening, guys. It's late night, sorry. So I have not done any video from past so many days. The reason is I'm busy with my family business, and also there is no time for videos. But it's this is a weekend, so I'm trying my best to understand what can happen on Monday. Okay, and you can see we have decoded market really well, especially I'm proud of this move. 1400 points move decoded in advance. Also, I mean, the data is working good. I'm happy with the data. So, what might happen on Monday? This change. Let me change. This is yes. So, yes. So this is so guys. On Monday, I'm expecting a positive day. Not a very big positive day because I think we have moved quite a lot in last 3 days. You can see the movement is quite one-sided move is there, and that was expected. And also, if you see my videos, I'm warning people that do not carry longs, be cautious on the longs because data is getting bearish, and it is just a matter of time that you will see a big down move. Down move happened almost. We fell for 8%, if it is right, and guys, we fell for around how many points? The fall is of around 3300 point. We have you know fell in last 3 days, 3 to 4 days. Now this low is very interesting. If you understand this low, this will act as a support in future, and I'm not expecting this low to get broken really fast. Okay, now this is a end of fuel. I would say the fuel that was get collected here. This is where it got empty. Okay, the method I used to know how it's empty. I teach people who trust me. Uh, okay, and now we need more fuel here. More fuel. What I mean by that? Sorry guys, the video is very lame, boring, but you get fast forwarded in 2x. I'm not able to know how to draw things. Okay, let's use this. Uh, right. Now, what I'm expecting that we might be getting such kind of move. I mean to say that we will be consolidating in this area for next 2 to 3 days. Okay, why consolidation is important for next move? Because as you know that we have emptied our fuel which was collected here. Now we need a fuel here. Yes, there is a little bit fuel left because of the stop loss hunt, and that we might, you know, uh, go up to this, not above this. I think up to this area, you will see you up move, but consolidation would be in this zone. If I have to say that this zone we will consolidate, because we cannot move big without consolidating. This is consolidation is very important. Okay, this is a consolidation of almost, if you will understand from here. Okay. So this is around uh, 2 days consolidation. After that, we fall. And same here, we will be needing 2 days consolidation here before we start where we want to go ahead. Data data is positive for the shorter term, but it's very negative for the longer term. So chances are there that we consolidate here and again we start moving down, but that is we have to see the data of next 2 days. If data is getting positive, then yes, we might test in this area uh, again. But guys, market is very simple. I mean, I know it's very hard to trade, but analyzing is it's a very simple thing. You see a consolidation, a down move, then uh, here we got emptied. Okay, now we will see a thrust up to this level. We will get a rejection from here. Then again, we will consolidate for next 2 days. After that, we will decide the move. The data will tell us where move can happen. So market moves like this. Even in past, what you are seeing, a big consolidation here, almost how many days? It's a consolidation of almost three day consolidation is there. Then we moved up, we emptied here, then we consolidate, then we move down. Okay, you see this pattern is everywhere. I mean, without consolidation, the big move is not possible because market is not like a video game. It runs on a real money, and the real position has been made, and real participants are there. So these things are important until unless there is some very volatile event happening. I mean, that those are different scenario. But in normal scenario, without consolidation, you cannot uh, give a 1,000 points move. Why? Because whenever we consolidate, some people buy, some sell. Okay, and we when we move out of that range, some cover their shorts, some cover their calls, some cover their puts, some long unwinding. Different things happens, and that lead to a big move. So my take for Monday is, if you see a flat open, keep this as a stop loss and target this area, or you can say that target one should be there, target two should be this. Please do not carry above that because this area will get tested soon, but I don't think so. It will happen on Monday. After that, we will be getting sideways movement for next 2 days. After that, we might again move to this area, or we, as the data is indicating that it's still bearish, we can even move downwards. But that is after 2 3 days. Immediately, I don't see a big move on single side. Volatility would be there. It's a 1,000 point range, so we might go up and down with volatility. But getting out of this range is difficult for next 2 days. So this is what data is indicating. Also, guys, I started this giving BTST calls. I have this. The number you are seeing ranking is based upon the BTST only. So what happened that at 3:30 I see these parameters. If all of the signal that I track is green, then I give this a buy call. When I see a lot of red, I will give up. So we will try because I cannot test in past because of the weekly option chart is dead. Chart and data is not available. But on a one day we got it right. It was yes. If you can see BTS success, it was yes. I expected market to go down and it went down. Now on Monday, I'm expecting market to go up. Let's see what kind of. And this 485 is the first 5 minute. I mean, from 9:15 to 9:20, what we are getting, because most of the BTST traders they book immediately. I mean, one or two, 3 minute into the open, they book it wherever it is. Most of them. So in first 5 minutes, we will see how much point we are getting from 3:30 close. So it will we will be needing at least 50 such days where then we can analyze it what is the success ratio. For example, our data analysis has a quite a good success ratio. I mean, it is almost the 18 times we failed. Sorry, 17 times we failed. Around 40 times we were right. So uh, the good number on winning side. So guys, the last day was normal day. Again, a lot of code word that you might be, you know, wondering what does all this means. So we'll discuss some other day. But the thing is, the range that we are getting around 1200, 1400 point, this will get reduced for surely. We might not be getting this much of bigger range. I think how what could be the range is maybe 700 points, 600 points, max 800 points. But big range is not possible every day. Okay, this range was a result of data that was negative, and this range is a result of the reaction of this day. So if you see, ignore this candle, then the move was it was volatile, but it was not abrupt. The first, I think, first hour was very volatile on Friday, and it was a very tough day to make money, especially for the option buyers. Again, this video is a little bit longer, might be boring, but this is it, guys. I might not be able to do regular videos. I want to, but sometimes it's not possible. But I'm keep tracking this data daily. I will post whatever I feel about the market on Twitter. So this is it, guys. The BTST would be a game changer, guys. If we can code this, because most of the guys, even if you know the market, you cannot hold for too long. The BTST, the advantage is that you can easily get 200, 300 point gap up sometimes, and that works. That is something that we love. So if this BTSD is getting 70% success, I would be, helping a lot of guys to make money, because this is easy way to make money BTSD most of the times. Okay, so we'll see how much point we will get after our call uh, by 9:20. So I'm signing off. The market is very simple. I don't complicate market a lot, because market is very simple. I mean, consolidation move. Here we have a empty fuel, little bit gimmicky word, but I think it solved the purpose. Now we will again consolidate with volatility. Then we will decide where we can head. Even, data helps us to know where the interest is. So all of these things, I'm tracking a lot of things, guys. I mean, this is also a new thing that I started. I am studying the cumulative delta very. I mean, this is a kind of research that I'm doing, because this is something that it's nowhere. I mean, no one does this, but I'm doing some research. But all these things will take at least 50 days from here to give us some any pattern, that hidden pattern that we can analyze. So OI and QE delta, the kind of relationship they have, I want to understand that. So this is the only way. I cannot do it with software. Even no one can do it, because the data is very complicated. It's not simple Excel sheet that you see from other data types. This is very complicated data. So let's see what happens. I'm trying to uh, analyze as much possible as I can, especially the data. And the data is always volume, guys. If I always say any indicator doesn't have volume incorporated in it, it's not indicated, just a trapping tool. So again, one more thing. I believe in trend lines, no doubt. Price action is something that you okay, it's already there. You see a trend line. The close was above the trend line. Okay, I'm seriously I'm taking calls in two of my accounts. The BTST calls. not full capital, but yes, some of the capital is invested into BTST call. Let's see what happens. And about the Dow is positive. The closing is encouraging for the upside. So tomorrow's market, if you will ask me, one down move might be possible. I mean, not very shortly, but yes, one someone will try to sell market in first hour, and it will be bought. Tomorrow is a buy on dip market. Wherever you see a dip, go and buy it. And even my view on this day, 5 minute chart, let's say, even on the Friday was the view was same, the buy on dip. Wherever you see a dip, go and buy. Okay. So overall market looks bullish, and I hope we will see some positive data, so that we can expect this level to be released. Which level? This level I'm talking about. This 4100, 41,000. Sorry, 41,000 level may be possible if data changes from here. So again, not making very longer. Please watch it again in 2x so that things can get faster. Okay, guys, I'm signing off. Take care.